What? Losing millions every year?
What? Huh? Oh God, please, no! No!
Why does the pump frequently burn out after changing to a different filter brand? Industry data shows that 32% of industrial equipment failures stem from the invisible conflict between the filter and the system. High-precision filters may actually shorten the pump's lifespan, and standard interfaces can cause leakage of the medium. When a filter is no longer just an independent consumable, but becomes a key variable for system efficiency. How can businesses avoid this costly mismatch crisis? Shocking costs. When filters and systems harm each other, global annual equipment repair costs caused by filter system incompatibility exceed $5 billion. Case examples. A petrochemical company experienced a pipeline explosion due to inadequate pressure tolerance of the filter, leading to a safety incident. Breakdown of the 3 major deadly mismatches.
Pressure mismatch. How can the pump's heart be crushed by the filter? Flow mismatch. Why does a 0.1 millimeters error trigger the butterfly effect? Interface mismatch. Why does it leak despite the interface seeming to fit perfectly?
4-step solution. From passive replacement to precision matching. Accurate problem diagnosis. Quick adaptation solutions. System optimization and calibration. Verification and maintenance. One-sentence summary. Diagnose, adapt, optimize, validate, balancing safety, cost, and compliance. A filter's ultimate mission is not to work in isolation, but to harmonize with the system. Follow Sinft for more practical industrial filtration insights. And never pay for mismatched filters again. See you next time.